Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to be taking you guys along with me trying to figure out what are the best countries to target when advertising musicchess.com. What you want to go ahead and do is go to your analytics dashboard. I'm going to put in like 2016. Actually, let me go to reports. It's in reports, I believe. And then you could see sales by billing location. And then as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and put in 2016, apply. And then this literally shows you all your top selling countries. So you can see United States, Canada, UK, Australia, Germany, Mexico, France, Netherlands, Spain, Israel. So these are all our top selling countries. So I now know when I go ahead and purchase items, actually I want to sort it by orders because I want to go off which countries have the most amount of people that sort of purchase. Wow, Philippines, wouldn't have expected that. So what I can go ahead and do now is target all these countries only when I'm launching my ads. And this is going to save me a lot of money, giving me real live data on what works, what doesn't, what countries are interested in our products and what countries aren't. So what I'm probably going to do is for my ads that I'm running, I'm probably going to target the top 10. Probably anything that is over 20, I'm going to target. And then what you could also do next, which I'm going to do live with you guys, is create a country list on Facebook. So when you're on Facebook, when you go to locations, you click browse, saved locations, create a list, put in countries, and now I'm going to go ahead and just copy these countries one by one. Go to Facebook, paste, match, yep, all matched, add 24 locations, music, chess, countries with 20 plus orders, save list. And you could do one with like over 50 orders, over 100 orders. And then the higher you go, the smaller your list, but the more powerful your list is. So I could have another list called over 10 orders. So this allows you to scale in many different ways. So if you have a super viral post, you want to start with literally, if you've gotten more than 5 orders, target that country. And then you duplicate that ad set and do one for over 10 orders. Duplicate that over 20 orders. That's exactly like testing 1%, 2%, 3% and testing view content, anti-cart, purchase. You're walking up the ladder. So you can do the exact same thing with countries. So hope this video helped. If you guys found it interesting, leave a like below. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe because I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah.